Learn Persian alphabet part 10 letter R. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have another part of learning Persian alphabet, learning Persian alphabet pronunciation. And today's letter is letter R. Let's start it. The 12th Persian letter is named R and it is pronounced R. R. The R in Spanish, like radio. The form of this letter is the same in all positions, initial, medial, and final. And it is like this. For example, Ra, درخت, رفتن, رباط. This letter, just like the last letter, is one of those 7 letters that the letter which follow them do not connect or attach to them. Look at these examples. را, درخت, رفتن, رباط. All these letters, A, Aleph, or F, and B, they didn't attach to the letter R. Now it's time to show you a text and you have to find the form of the letter R in the text. If you did the exercise, here is your answers. So let's make some new words with the letter R. First word is درخت. درخت. درخت means tree. در حیات ما 2 درخت وجود دارد. در حیات ما 2 درخت وجود دارد. راحت. 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 Comfortable. این صندلی راحت نیست. این صندلی راحت نیست. این صندلی راحت نیست. Now let's see how to write this letter and these words. Okay, it's your turn now. You will have to write 3 lines of this letter and these words. And you can share it on the Telegram group chat, in my Instagram, the DM message. Also, you can record your handwriting and send them for me so I can check it for you. Also, you can write in comments if you have any questions or if you have any suggestion for making some videos about your problems, your questions. Just don't hesitate to write your opinions in comments. I would love to hear from you. You can subscribe Learn Persian with Asal and Learn Persian with Asal. Okay, see you guys. Thanks for watching. I'm Asal. Love you. Bye.